Good morning friends, this is Pradeep from Trading Clan. Happy to see you all in this video. In this video we are going to predict our trades for Nifty and Bank Nifty Wednesday. So before going to the video, if you not subscribe our channel, please do subscribe and please click the bell icon for further notifications. So let's move on to the Bank Nifty. First let me open Bank Nifty in our trading view window. Here normally I will prefer for 45 minutes time frame. Already you people will be knowing that the 45 minutes time frame will give more accuracy for intraday trades in Nifty and Bank Nifty levels. So these are the support and resistance level which we marked in the earlier videos, and look at the top area, encircled area. We are having the previous high level and it is getting retested. Again it is touched the previous high level. So I will make a horizontal line for clear visibility. See here, this is the previous level around around 35,800. so this level got tested today, and look at this area, encircled area, and the current level, current market. We are having one big formed here. So there is lot of selling pressure came into the market, so there is high probable for script can go in downside. It can go and retrace in the middle, or either way, one more way it can go in downside. If any positive pressure is there, market can go a bit and it will touch the our resistance line, and it can go to the bottom till our support line. There is a high probable for tomorrow market can go in downside only. But if the market breaks the resistance level, it can possible to go further height. So there is very less chance for this thing happen. We will see the market, and we will I will update the levels in target levels for upside tomorrow. I am not expecting upside tomorrow. We will see. I will update it in our group, WhatsApp group. So most probably I am expecting the downside. It will touch the support level and it can go in upside. That's what I am expecting for another 1 or 2 days. Market is not giving a clear view for tomorrow. We can try a small put calls after seeing the market direction. So no clear visibility, hence no levels for holding. We'll update in WhatsApp group tomorrow. Let's see what will happen. So now we will move on to the Nifty prediction. Just I'm opening the Nifty in trading view window with 45 minutes time frame chart. This was our levels till our yesterday. We can have a support and resistance level till our yesterday trade. Look at this area. It was all-time high, and today it's retested. The level is 15,900. The all-time high level is retested in the, you can see the horizontal line. This point we have to note. One more thing, we have to note this circled area. You can see here, this is one we can consider this is a pivot point. It's the first circle is low level circle. It's formed the low, and again it's formed the lower high. It's a good sign for up move, but the similar thing has to happen in the upper side also. I am going to encircle the high, but where is the higher high? See here, the higher high is not yet formed till now, so we have to rearrange our resistance line. So I am going to delete the resistance line, earlier resistance line. We have to reform the resistance line with the current trending and directions. I am going to again redefine my views with the new resistance line. You can see here, almost it is in horizontal level. So we will mark the resistance line in red color. So this whenever it's touching, we are having the rejections, lot of rejections, 2-3 times it is getting rejected, and the support line also we can make. So clearly, if you are watching, means this is formed as a triangular pattern. Once this support level got broken, we can have a very big fall is possible. Anything can happen in market, we cannot predict. We can see the market direction and we can decide later. This is also one of the probability can happen, but most probably like this pattern will support for market to pull upside. So I am going to draw this upside possible direction. You can check this pattern is one of the general pattern for market move. Yes, you can see here the market can go upside. It can retrace and between support level and resistance level. Once the point, it can break the resistance and it can move up to around 16,200 also it can possible to reach. So that thing is, it will not happen now, it will happen in longer time frame. We will see what is happening in the market and we can decide those levels in later. Maybe another 1 or 2 weeks we have to wait. After 15th of this month, we can see this kind of movement in either side, but most probably in upper side is expected. But for looking the tomorrow market, we don't have much expectation on upper side. I am expecting the market can go in downside, so we will have, if possible, we will have some small trades. The target of this support line, we should have the stop loss line is kept in 15,840 levels. The black line we can keep our stop loss line, and the market can go in the downwards and it can hit this target. That is possible tomorrow. I am expecting this small trade, so we will not have a big trade tomorrow. Let's see what will happen. I will update in our group. See here, this resistance and support line we can remove now, because that will not work now, so we are going to remove that one. So after seeing the tomorrow direction, I will update in our group. Let's see what will happen tomorrow. Finally, I am expecting Nifty 35,000 and Bank Nifty 15,700. Both are in downside direction. that is a high probable chance is there for tomorrow. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Please click the bell icon for further notification. Thank you. Grow with us.